welcome back. Today's video is about KitchenAid stand mixer. I don't have a lot of room, so I'm going for a mid-range, medium-sized 4.3 litre. On KitchenAid's website, they have the mixer tilt head 4.3 litre classic 5KSM95PSBSZ, which comes with a whisk, a dough mixer, and a normal mixer for non-doughy stuff. I happen to notice in Costco they have a similar one by KitchenAid. It's also 4.3 litre. They don't have that specific model on KitchenAid's website. Everything is identical by the looks of things, apart from the colour and the price. It's a lot cheaper. So I did a bit of googling, and there was a bunch of places which had the prices used, refurbished, but new. Cheapest on eBay was £365 by a seller called Scar Trading. I'm wondering if they're buying from Costco and selling it on Amazon. The cheapest for the same item was £444.49. So I headed off to Costco to pick one up, and to my surprise, they were stocking them for £179 plus VAT, which worked out to be £215. That's a saving of £115 compared to their website. Bargain, and I had to get it. So I purchased it and brought it home in a box which looks like this. It's not black, more like graphite or granite grey. Time to open it up. Attachment catalogue. They've got loads of attachments. Purchase all of them, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg. A lot of these attachments were more than the price of the mixer I paid. And that's a pouring scoop, prevents spilling when pouring. It's a heavy box, and the whole thing weighs around 12 to 15 kilos, I think. It needs to be heavy, especially when it's mixing at high speed. It needs to stay stable. Manual with warranty details. Comes with 3 attachments: a whisk, a dough mixer, and a mixer. Plug it in and see how it goes. The bowl locks in place once you twist it. The attachments go onto the front of it, and some of these I plan to get, like a spiralizer, mincer. Yeah, I mean, it's quite pricey for the item, but I do a lot of cooking, baking, and this will help a lot. I've been using a bread maker since God knows how long to make my dough, and this would be a welcome addition. That's the whisk. The bowl twists off, and once you put it in, it stays. It's a 4.3 litre bowl. That's a normal mixer. And it was a bit fiddly getting the items on first time around, but once you get once you realize how they go on, it's a piece of cake. There you go. So you're going to pull that lever to open or close the top. It's not easy to do it with one hand. Making fresh cream, cakes, etc., or strawberries in the summer. So pull that lever to release it. Oh. On the other side there's a lever. And here you unscrew that to open that up and you attach the attachments to that. That's quite handy. Here's some single cream. I'm going to whip that up. Elmley. Added a bit of sugar just to give it a bit extra taste. Checking all the speeds up. When you start off, you're going to start off slow, then you increase the speed as you go on. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up. This part is speeded up. Really thick now. So here's some pizza mix. We've got strong bread flour, added some salt, and there's olive oil underneath the flour, some garlic and pepper, and let it mix first. Then I'm gonna add some yeast in warm water. Excuse the blurriness. The camera was focusing on the movement and just didn't work out. So that's better. Add a bit more water. Added too much water, so I'm adding a bit more bread flour. Been a few days since I've had this, and I really like it and definitely recommend this. There was another one, they had a Kenwood model which was £10 dearer at £189 plus VAT, but this one actually looks better, so I stuck with this KitchenAid. And yeah, I'm gonna be really busy with this. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, click on subscribe, and you'll be alerted of any future videos.